Question number 27. Find the product. There are two parts. I am going to solve B part only. So in that case, children, what you have to do? You have to write the numbers without decimal. Clear? And the procedure of multiplication, all of you know. In that way, I multiplied and I got this answer. Now, how to put the decimal? Count the number of digits after the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to leave 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we'll put the decimal. That is your answer. Question number 28. If the cost of 1 meter of cloth is rupees 14.75. So how we'll write the statement? Cost of 1 meter cloth is this. What will be the cost of 2.25 meter of cloth? So children, all of you know that if you know the rate of one thing and you have to find rate of many things, you will multiply. So don't forget to write rupees with your answer so that you have to find out yourself. 29th question. The planet Mercury takes 87.9 days to travel around the sun. Okay, so Mercury travel around the sun in how many days? 87.9 days. The planet, so what I wrote children here, days taken by Mercury, 87.9 days. After that it is given, the planet Mars takes about 7.8 times. What is the meaning of times? 7.8 times means 7.8 multiplied by the time taken by Mercury. Clear? So this way you will write the statement days taken by Mercury, days taken by Mars. So always remember, if some number of times are given, in that case you have to multiply. So without decimal you will multiply first, then you will find out the answer, and after how many digits you will put the decimal? 1, 2. So your answer will be in number of days. Question number 30. 1 kg of milk has these many fats. So fats in 1 kg milk is 0.267. It is given. You have to find fats in 10.5 kgs of milk. So 1 kg you know, of more you have to find out the cases of multiplication. So I wrote the numbers without decimal. Find out the answer. So where to put the decimal? Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 digits will leave and our answer will be in kgs. Question number 31. Cost of 1 kg tea. Cost of 1 kg tea is given. What will be the cost of 12.5 kg tea? So this is also the case of multiplication. Answer will be in rupees. Complete it yourself. If the cost of 1 meter rubber is given, what will be the cost of 8.5 meters of rubber? So again the case is of multiplication, because rate of one thing is given, more you are asked to find out. So where to put the decimal? Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 digits you have to leave. Okay children, exercise 5.5 that will be done on your book only, and all of you are smart enough to do these questions. 0.6 into 0.7 will be equal to 0.7 into 0.6. Next, second, anything multiplied by 1 will have the same number. Then here 6.175 already there. What will come here? 3.121. Now with what I should multiply this so as to get the same number? That you know, if we multiply any number with 1, we'll get the same answer. Next is anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Anything multiplied by 1, same number. Then with what should I multiply this so as to get 0? Obviously 0 multiplied by anything is 0. Again I want, with what should I multiply this so as to get the same number? That is 1. Again this multiplied by 1, same number. With what should I multiply 1 so as to get this value? You know that is 25.25. Okay beta, exercise 5.6, the cases of division. Very important, listen it carefully. 0.6 divide by 2. What you have to do is children, division can be written as upon. That means 0.6 upon 2. Now what you have to do is, 6 I wrote, I removed the decimal. After the decimal only one digit is there. So what will come down? 10. And already 2 is there. Now you cancel it. 6 and 2 can be cancelled with each other. 6 and 2, when you will cancel, you will get 3. So 3, and what is left over here? 10. Now you have to put decimal. Only 1 0. leave one digit and put the decimal. Third question, children. 1.625 divide by 5. As it is the long division, what you can do? You can divide it in this way also. So you can see here I wrote the number without decimal and I divided it with 5. So after division, you all know that the answer is 325. I wrote here. Clear? Now count the number of digits after the decimal. 1, 2 and 3. So put the decimal. 1, 2, 3 digits you have to leave and then you have to put the decimal. Next question. 3.12 divide by 8. Same thing I did, children. 312 I wrote without decimal. I divided it with 8. So okay, 31 you will take. 8 3s are 24. Then what is left here? 11 minus 4 is 7. Now 2 will be taken over here. 8 9s are 72. So what is the answer? 39. Write 39 over here. Count the number of digits after the decimal. There are 2 digits. So leave 2 digits and put the decimal. Next is question number 7th. 6.3. This is very important, children. Look here what I did. I wrote 63 and going to divide with 4. I took 6. 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. And then I took 3 over here. Now 4 5s are 20. Again 3 is left over here. So children, in that case you can see that it is not completely divisible. So what we do in this case, we'll write here 0 from our side and here will come decimal. Always when you are taking 0 from your side, first 0, for that you have to put here decimal. Now divide 30 with 4. What will come? Yes, 7 4s are 28. Clear? Now 10 minus 8 is 2. Here you are left with 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Again children, 2 can't be divided with 4. Now again you have to write here 0. For this no need to put decimal. Only for the first 0 you have to put decimal. Now with which table? 4 5s are 20. So children, you can see it is the division of 63 divide by 4. What is the answer? 15.75. Answer is already in decimal. But beta, here also one digit is after the decimal. This we have not included in this process. So this decimal will shift towards this side. You know that in case of division we need to shift towards left. In case of multiplication we are shifting decimal towards right. So this is the answer obtained by dividing 63 with 4. But we have not included this decimal. After the decimal how many digits? 1 is there. So this decimal will shift towards this side. So what is the answer now? 1.575. This is your answer. Question number 9th. You have to divide this with this. So I wrote it without decimal and we are going to divide it with 22. So here children, I have taken 88. You know that 22 4s are 88. So we'll get here 0 0. Now we have to take next digit. 8 is smaller than 22. Then another 8 also we have to take. So when we are taking 2 digits together, we put 0. So it will divide with 4 again. 88. Your answer is 404. Count the number of decimal after digits after the decimal. There are 2 digits. Leave 2 digits and put the decimal. 21st question. Same procedure children. Division process you know. I have divided. After dividing it, this is the answer 2839. Now count the number of digits after the decimal. 1, 2 and 3. Leave 3 digits 1, 2, 3 and put the decimal. 23rd question. Same thing. I wrote the number here. I am going to divide it with 47. So first of all I have taken 59. It will go with 1. 47 ones are 47. So here you are left with 9 minus 7 2. 5 minus 1 4. Then we have taken next digit, that is 6. 47 2s are 94. With 3 it will be greater. So we will go with 2. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 12 minus 9 is 3. In next case 9 is taken over here. Clear? So 47 7's is 329. So it is completely, remainder is 0. Now next what we have to do? We have to take 9 and 4 together. When you take 2 digits together, we need to put here 0. Now 47 2s are 94 and the remainder is 0. What was your answer? 12702. Write it as it is. count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, leave 3 digits and put the decimal. 25th question. A ribbon 3.84 meter long is cut into 4 pieces. So this is the ribbon, children. It is cut into how many pieces? 4 pieces. So what is the length of 4 pieces? Total length is 3.84 and you are asked what is the length of each piece. Each piece means 1 piece. So when you know the rate of 1 and you are asked to find out the rate of more, in that case you multiply. Now you know the rate of more and you have to find out of 1. In that case you will divide. So same procedure, without decimal you can divide it. Write the answer, it is 96. Count the number of digits, there are 2 digits, leave 2 digits and put the decimal. 26th question. The cost of 27 kg potatoes are given and you are asked to find cost of 1 kg potato. More you know, 1 you have to find out. Same procedure, divide it. Right here 2 digits you have to leave, put here decimal and answer is in rupees. Don't forget to write units. Cost of 84 pens is given. You are asked to find cost of 1 pen in next case. So same way you will divide it and find the answer, that will be in rupees. Thank you.